Next.
Powers of 10.
Power of 10. Okay. Okay.
Why do you do square roots?
Why?
Because these square root is part of exponent. In PEMDAS, parentheses exponent.
PEMDAS at home. I will follow the structure here. Okay. We'll come to PEMDAS. We'll come to. What is there to show?
It says
Why is this needed?
you good? No. That
So-
just goes on.
Okay. So 1 point for Ishal.
Okay.
Okay. 1 point. So, and this is recorded here. This goes in the video also. So everybody make sure that this next 50 minutes are used in a most diligent way. Okay? No distraction, no crosstalks, no unwanted discussions. Make sure that that page you don't come to again. Otherwise, when we are taking notes, you will look at the picture, not take notes. Okay? You remember how many times you made your notebook, and this time when you have brought the notebook, you are using the notebook for making pictures. That's not needed. Okay? All right. So, who all is prepared for STAR exam?
We're
doing
survival.
Huh?
We're doing the Amazing Race and Star Survivor.
So
Okay.
basically,
It's,
what I
it's,
do.
it's fun, right? Yeah.
So basically, what I do is just I do 6th grade math, and really it's just basically 12th grade math is different. So basically, what I do, I just go do 5th grade math star. That's my life process. It is my life. No, it's not. I took that acceleration.
No, my question was simple. Who all are preparing for STAR exam?
I'm totally
Everybody is prepared for STAR exam. Okay. Now the next question is, who all is not prepared for the STAR exam? Not prepared. Not prepared.
Bro.
Why?
You don't take this one. Oh, you do.
Get that?
You just take a break.
Why?
Because today we learned that we had we forgot yesterday.
Okay. No, so why I'm saying is, when you say I'm not prepared for STAR exam, what is meant by that? Meaning you have a lot of things to cover still. What are those things to cover? That's what, see, when I'm asking a question, there's an intent. I'm trying to figure out what are the things that you don't know and that you want to learn. Do you know what are things that you don't know? That will be asked probably in STAR exam? No? Okay. Alright. So, now coming back to the video. So, no crosstalk, okay? No, if anybody has to give feedback, that is only me. Next 15 minutes, I'm going to dictate who will say what. I'm going to dictate who will say what.
I think you said 8.
Huh?
Do you mean 15, not 15?
I said 50.
Can I do 50%?
Okay. So what I'm saying is, see, when I'm asking question, right, there's an intent behind. Now, everybody has notebook. Can everybody take a note of this? Tasvik, you also. I want everybody to do this homework before you come to the class tomorrow. I want you to list down what are the topics or the subjects, not subjects. In the STAR test, what are the key topics that they will ask? Can you list it down? Do you know what they're going to ask in for grade 5 for you?
Decimals.
No, not decimal is not the only topic, right? They will
Yeah, there's
Order of operations.
all the things.
PEMDAS.
I want you to note it down. Okay? Don't tell me right
We
now.
don't know. Can we write down most of the things?
Yeah?
We write down as much as we know.
Write down everything that is going to be part of the syllabus for starters.
They don't tell us like what is going to be on the start.
They will not tell.
is covered this whole
That
thing.
is leaking. They will tell.
Just like-
If they tell you what all they are going to ask, that is leaking questions. Okay, they will not do that.
It's like
They-
algebra.
They will tell you their topics. They'll say, okay, fine. I'm going to ask you questions on algebra. I'm going to ask you questions on
We don't.
decimals. I'm going to ask
Maybe
you.
like fractions.
Note it down.
multiplication.
Not everything down. I want everybody to have the list of topics noted down in their notebook. Okay, that's what we'll go
Wait.
through.
What are the different types of algebra? This syllabus.
Write down the topics first.
This is the algebra.
Algebra. In algebra, what are the things?
Basically, when you learn about x and y, and like we learn like more like PEMDAS, and that's Just the algebra questions.
So whatever there is syllabus, not based on what you know.
No, this is the syllabus.
Yeah, I'm saying note down. So in syllabus they will say, okay, talk about no equations or expressions or equation with single variable, double variable, things like that. Okay. So note down all the topics. I want you guys to note down all the topics that is going to be covered as part of your STAR test.
If
Yeah.
you don't know all the topics, can you just write down as much as you know?
I've been fine.
Yeah, note down everything that you know. So Maya, same thing holds true for you also. I want you to note down the topics, and see what I'll do is I will look at the topics that you guys have noted down from the same grade, right? Goshika will say, okay, there are things that is there for grade 6. Myra, Arav and Advik will say there are things for grade 5. Ishan and Ishan and you are in grade 4 as well, right? So Ishan and come quickly. Get a chair from there. This is for me. So sit far from Arav. Sit here. No, sit here. You have come to learn from me or learn from him. Then don't come to the class. Move a little bit. Move a little bit. I want you guys to be friends, but not too good a friend. Okay.
Oh, okay. I mean, you should not be.
All right. So note down all the topics. So coming back to Arnav, we are just doing a quick check of how prepared we are for STAR test. Okay. I don't think any of you will have any problem with STAR test. This is the easiest thing of all, and if you have problem, then there is a serious problem. Because STAR test is one of the most easy exam that you guys go through.
Actually, the reading is the hardest.
I'm talking about maths.
Math is the best.
I'm talking about maths.
Math is the hardest.
Now, in all of the STAR tests, you only need a 33% of
That's what I'm saying. So STAR test is something that is not something that should bother you guys. But if it is bothering, I would want to know why, and we will try solving those problems. That's why I'm trying to make sure that everything that we have learned in the class, is it covering all the topics for you guys for your STAR test or not? Okay, that's the intent. Yeah.
The next work I think we're gonna be doing is like fractions.
No, don't jump to conclusion. Do that homework and then show me tomorrow. Okay? Don't rush. Because I want to. Shh. Alright. Don't get tempted to talk. Okay. This is not a debate club. Yeah. So what I'm saying is, note down all the topics. Not right now. Once you go home, look at the Khan Academy. Look at your school email, whatever you have.
Is school not actually like divided by front version of fraction, but like whole divided by fractions?
So list down everything that is part of the curriculum for STAR test, and we'll see what all we have not covered, right? Because we have kids from 3rd grade till 6th grade in this class, right? I want to make sure that all the topics that is relevant for you guys for STAR test, that is covered, okay? All right. Last question for you.
Oh, never mind.
Was that a valid question? Ask questions which are valid, please, because that is how we can be respectful of the time that we have. Otherwise, all unwanted parallel talks, I'm not interested in that.
It's really a long list.
I'm not really interested in that right now because I want you to go validate that at home and bring that complete list tomorrow, okay? So that we know. All right. So let's see what we want to learn today. Have you guys heard of something called line plots?
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's called. And it's
Learning that.
Wait, what? It's called this. Where you do it's called the X and Y plot. For first
Okay.
quadrant.
Okay. Let the teacher do the honors.
Thank you.
I did.
Okay. So I will explain that in the simplest possible way. Okay. So X, Y plot is what we will come to, but line plot. Okay. Now, if you guys recall, when we were learning geometry, yeah,
Yeah.
what did we learn? We learned about line. Keep your hands down. You guys will get a chance to talk when there's a need. Okay? We learned about line, we learned about line segment, we learned about arrays, we learned about triangles, we learned about quadrilaterals, pentagons, whatnot. Now, look at the core of it. Forget about the line for a while. But if you look at line segment, what is the property of it? It has a fixed length from one place to another place. So if you look at a line segment, it is nothing but a shape that is drawn by joining two points. Yeah? This is one point, this is second point. Everybody clear so far?
Yeah.
If I'm talking about a triangle, look at it with more, what do you call?
Vision. Perfection.
Connected.
No, I'm saying if you look at the triangle, it's a different perspective.
Oh.
Essentially, if you look at these corners, you see 3 dots, 3 points, they are connected to make a triangle. Yeah? If you look at a quadrilateral, look at the 4 corners. These are 4 dots, 4 points, they are connected. So, lot of things are revolving around point. Okay? Now let's forget everything for a while and let's come to a line segment. Okay? I want to draw a line segment by joining these 2 points. Very easy. But why from here to here? How about this? Why not here to here? Why not here to here?
Wait, without the dots?
No, with the dots. Every line segment is with dots. You have a starting point, ending point. Okay? What I'm trying to do, you can see the board, right?
Yeah.
Why did you not get your glasses?
Huh?
Why did you not get your glasses? You don't get them, but you need them.
Do you have the reading?
Okay. Okay.
No, actually.
Alright.
Computer.
So coming back to this thing. If I'm talking about 2 dots or 2 points whom I'll connect to make a line segment.
Oh, wait, wait,
Keep your hands down. Keep your hands down.
It's the answer is the dot because
Huh?
the answer is the dots that connect them.
So that's why I'm saying, if you have patience for a little bit, allow me to complete or cover what concept I'm trying to cover. Probably you'll be able to relate that. Okay, Myra, no drawing, no. It's not a class for playing with things. Okay, don't do that. So if I have 2 dots, now let's forget about this also. Let's talk about how you guys come to this class.
What?
Hear me out.
Destination, I get it.
Destination would be
There are 2 points. Let's say Sania comes from her house to this place. You guys come from your house to this place. Ishan comes from his house to this place. Kaushika comes from her house to this place.
Myra
Kasvik from one room to this place. Yeah, exactly. So Myra has 2 different dots, 2 points to connect. You guys have your house to this place to connect. Ishan has 2 points to connect.
Google Maps.
Now, calm down. Okay? Now, so when we talk about 2 places to connect, both the places have their own identity. You have your own address from where you come. I have my address where you guys come. So these points have address. You can locate these places, right? My address is known. Now, Kaushika knows her address and she has known my address also. So she says, okay, fine. From my address to Sir's address. What happened? Okay. So everybody, so what I'm trying to say here is every point, every dot, every place has a way to recognize. Okay? You know how to find your place and you know how to find my place. That is how you're able to travel between these 2 places. If any of the point or any of the place was not known, there is no plan that you can make. Yeah? Now, so look at this dot. Meaning, if I'm trying to draw a line between this dot at this point and this point has to be known and this point also has to be known. You should be able to locate this point. Let's say if you don't have to draw a line, you just have to locate this point. How will you locate this point? You will say, okay, fine. On the board, okay, from this corner, this much distance, and from this corner, this much distance. This helps you locate this point. Similarly, to locate this point also, you know, okay, from this corner, this edge, this much distance, from this edge, this much distance.
Is this related to coordinates?
Hold it for a minute. You will be able to relate. See, I know you have read this before. That's why you are trying to jump to that point. If I also jump, I can jump even 2 steps further because I have studied more than what you have studied. And then everyone will get confused, right? That's why I'm talking like a baby. I'm talking in a way that a kindergartner can also understand.
Yeah. What?
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. That's how you make concepts easy. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
So I'm trying to make it very simple, right? First, and then we'll try relating everything. And then, so initially I said, okay, draw 2 points. Then I said, okay, how do I identify those points to connect? Then I said, okay, how do you find the address? Address also has a known place, an identity. You can locate that place. Same way you can locate the points. Again, something to refer to. So in math gives you other ability. Let's say this is my sheet. This is where I will be able to feel happier. What I did was I broke this page into 4 parts. Now look at this as something that you guys have seen before. There are 2 number lines actually.
Oh,
Yeah.
One. Wait, don't jump.
Are we only gonna learn the first quadrant or the origin or
How does it matter? Why are you guys in a hurry? Allow me to complete. The class is not over yet. We still have 14 minutes to go. Let's see how much we can cover.
40.
40.
I thought you said 14. I'm like, what?
I wish that was true to make you guys happy. But nowadays I don't feel happy to let you guys go early, because if I let you guys go early, you start running on the road, and that is
Yeah,
dangerous. And that is dangerous.
yeah, I'm making really
No, everybody.
I don't know what to
Okay. Now, okay, come back to the class.
Nice.
So on and so forth. Okay. Now, this is one numbered line. Okay, I will say this is one number line. This is another number line which is perpendicular to this one, meaning this is making 90 degree, and this is the origin. Okay. Now, both the number lines are crossing each other at the origin.
It's also a perpendicular line.
That's what I meant. That's what I said, 90 degree. Okay. So this is, let's say 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. This is -1, -2, -3, -4. Okay. So this is called y-axis, this is called x-axis.
Oh, so it's like 2 number lines, like.
Perpendicular to each other. Yeah. Crossing each other at the origin. Okay. Now, up to this much, anybody has any confusion, any doubt, anything ambiguous? Tell me before I move on. Arnav, Tasvik, Gaushika, Myra, everybody clear?
I thought we were gonna draw lines.
What is that?
I thought we were like gonna draw lines. See, when you draw lines, they connect to each origin.
No, no.
Segments.
Be louder. I cannot hear you.
Basically, I thought we're gonna use the coordinates for that, right? Like, if we were gonna use it, then I thought we were gonna use lines to connect all of them.
Hold it. Okay. So that's what I'm saying. So I will go step by step. I will keep checking with everybody that if everybody is with me. Because if I teach what I know, that would be of no use for you guys. I have to teach what you need to know. Okay. What everybody in the class needs to know. That's why I'm going at a pace that is not my pace. Okay. Everybody clear so far?
Yes.
Okay. You're not drawing another picture, right, Ishan?
What?
Not drawing another
I'm
picture?
ready.
I'll have to keep reminding you guys. I know It's easy for the kids to get distracted. That's the age. But yeah, we have to
I
make.
like this. I like this extra chart, like all the four quadrants together.
Okay. So, okay. Now, let's try locating a point. I'm not sure who all has seen a graph paper here in this classroom.
I have.
Yes.
Start we're gonna get
Graph
graphs.
Star
paper,
graph.
yes. Okay, that's good.
Star graph.
That's good.
Those books.
Okay. No, don't go towards the debate class. It's not a debate class yet. Okay. You don't want your name to be there, right?
I'm good.
Ah, I'm also good. Don't make me bad. Okay, alright. Now, let's look at a point here. Okay? And a point here. Hands down. Okay? I'm trying to say there are 2 points. Okay? I'm trying to draw a line between. I'm trying to join them to make a line segment. But now with this thing in picture, I'm able to locate the point. Look at this point. How far it is from the x-axis, how far it is from the y-axis. This tells me how to find this point. Yeah? Before you go, you'll put it in the trash. Okay? Alright. So this point, you can locate how far it is from the x-axis and how far it is from the y-axis. So is the case with this point also. How far it is from x and y axis. Okay. Now it's easy to locate these points. This is like a Google map, like what you were saying, right? This is a point. This point has an address with reference to somebody. This point also has a reference to somebody. Huh? Right. So I'm saying now both the points can be identified. You see, when you open a Google map and say I want to go to a certain place, you put the address. This says starting from, and you say my current location, or you say you give another location. So it needs 2 points between which it will take you or drive you through. Same way here, these 2 points can be identified now. Okay. Now, if you look at this one, you have always seen most of the things moving in clockwise direction. Okay. It goes from here, here, here. But if you look at this quadrant, these are four parts that you parts of the page that you see here. This is one part, this is second part, third part, fourth part. Here we are going in anti-clockwise direction. This is called first quadrant on the graph. This is called second quadrant. This is called third quadrant. This is called the fourth quadrant. Okay, on the graph.
Fifth grade, don't they use like only the first quadrant because it's like positive and positive?
So, doesn't matter. See, any other concept that we learn, we will see how much we are able to learn. Okay. See, Tasvik is in third grade. He doesn't have to learn this one, right? I'm teaching the concept part of it. Now, whether he uses that in third grade or whether he uses that in 8th grade, up to him.
Sixth.
Yeah? 6th grade, 8th grade, whatever, right?
They don't teach us the second quadrant because we haven't learned integers yet. I know it's
What?
Yeah, but not in school.
Oh, basically public school.
It's negative and positive.
It's negative and positive.
Okay, so alright. No going to debate class again. Come back, everybody. Anand, come back. Now, I just mentioned what is first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. This is how it traverses. That is how you can name it. You can figure it out. What I was trying to say here was, let's look at one more concept that I would want you guys to be aware of. Now look at this carefully. If you have, let's forget about the line for now. Okay? If I have a point here, what is the value of x? What is the value of x as in how far it has come on x? What is the value of y, meaning how far it has gone on y side? So, what is the value of x here? Probably 3. It looks closer to 3. And y also is closer to 3 only. Okay? So, this is how you write it. Okay? On the graph, when you put any position, any dot, you say this is something comma something. These are the x and y coordinates. Put your hands down. I will let you ask question when you need to ask. Because I know this is something that you already know. Yeah? What is that? Do we need to? No. Not in 5th grade. Go and check and let me
No,
know.
no, since we do the
So we'll come to that. See why you have to jump. When you jump, you miss the basics. Yeah? If you jump from here, if you jump to that place, you will miss 4 spots in between. And when you go there, you'll realize, oh, these are 4 places that I missed, that I don't know. So when you jump, you end up missing the concepts which I don't want anybody in the class to do. That's why I keep stopping you guys. Okay? Not to make anybody feel good or bad. It's to make sure that we go step by step. Because if you do that things in a more controlled way, more organic way, the chances of retaining that knowledge is better. More. Okay? Alright. So, simple thing. I just looked at this point, okay? 3 and 3. If I look at a point here, can somebody tell me what is the value of the x and y coordinate? What is the value looking like here for x? What is the value of x here? Right.
The value of x is -3.
Minus 3. What is the value of y here? Go ahead, tell me. 2. And here you'll be little careful. Now we are seeing negative values also, right? So it's 2 as in 2 positive, yeah? Okay. Now, what is the value of this point? The coordinates for this one. Hmm? Minus 1. Huh? Minus 5. Yeah? See, you will see which point is closer to, right? So minus 5. Okay. What is the value of y? Not you. Arav. What is the value of y here? No, how much? I'm just asking what is the value of y?
Is that a 4?
Yeah, it's 4. 3, 4. What is the value here?
That'll be -5 to 4 because
No, because what is the value? That's what I'm wanting to know. Okay? Minus 5 and minus 4. Okay. Now, somebody will tell me the value of x and y coordinates for this side.
6.
6 is the value of x coordinate. Okay, not Advi. Who will tell me the value of y here? Kaushika. Negative 3. So what is that you guys are observing here? Myra, this is not a drawing class. Okay? So here, if you look at this carefully, in first quadrant, the value of x and y both are positive. Ishan, here.
I lost my pen.
That's good. That's good.
Wow.
You'll find it after the class. Look at this one. Look at the class. You're not, even if you don't note it down, you have video of the class being circulated, so you can note it down later. Here, if you look at the second, this is first quadrant, right? So what you observed is value of x and y in this quadrant is all positive. Yeah. If you go to second quadrant, what is the value of what is changing here? Value of x becomes negative, y remains positive. Yeah. What happens in the third quadrant?
It's negative.
All negative. All negative. What happens in the fourth quadrant?
Positive or negative.
Positive, negative. So, whenever somebody says, okay, draw a line between -3, 2 and 2, 6. If somebody gives you this, you will know that, okay, -3 and 2, that means it's somewhere here, second quadrant, and this is 2 and 2, positive. This is the first quadrant, so I'm drawing a line here. Okay? Clear? Everybody? Where are you? In the class or somewhere else? You're here? Yeah. Okay. So, by knowing the coordinates, you'll be able to locate where the point is and how you can join them. So, if somebody has to make you draw a triangle, they'll give you coordinates for 3 points, and you can visualize them, and then you can connect them to that. Okay. So this is on the line plot. Anybody has any question with respect to the concept that we have looked at just now? Why was there a need to look at the graph? Why we had to find out even something more complicated than what we were doing so far? Why we have to worry about the graph thing? It looks very cryptic, clumsy.
So
Yeah.
there's two answers. One, so you can actually improve Google Maps.
Google Maps is not for kids.
It's for destination.
Google Maps is not for kids. Okay, so don't waste your time and my time by talking about Google Maps. This is any point to locate it accurately.
Exactly.
If you cannot locate a point exactly or accurately, you will not be able to deal with that. If Sania doesn't know where is my address, she'll end up going to my neighbor's place for the maths class.
Wow.
Right?
What about Google Maps?
Google Maps.
So Google Maps, she did not use Google Maps. She just had to know the address. She just
You have
walked.
to remember stuff in the back.
So what?
It is also technically using
So what I'm trying to say is, locating a point exactly is very important, and that is what graph helps you do that, using the x and y coordinate. Okay? Kaushika, are you with me?
There's also my second reason. So basically, my dad told me that this Jenny has grass and all that.
Why are we learning about Gemini?
With those swarmy lines that look so
Gen
cool.
I
Sir?
comes very, very late in your life. Okay? Let's not worry about
What is
that.
from
Oh
AI?
yeah, from E.
Hey, what is that?
Gen
It's from
AI, everything
Generative artificial.
intelligence.
Bro.
No use of that if you cannot solve a simple equation. Okay? Now let me check the AI right now for Arav. 2x plus 7 equal to 15. Get me the value of x.
I just put 15.
No, wait. No, I put 15. No, solve this for x, okay? Today I want to teach you guys what is needed, what is important, okay? This is what you are going to solve in 8th grade, and then I will come in college.
I figured out X.
You solve it.
I figured out X.
Find out the value of x. I know it's easy, but I want to kind of kill Gen I for now.
Wow.
Gen AI is
That's
not
wrong.
Oh,
needed. You guys need to know what is priority for you, right?
I didn't see someone robot.
Where's the map?
No, Arav, don't waste your time.
Where's the map?
Don't waste your time.
I'm done.
You show me how to get. I don't
Basically,
like
the
answer.
robot
You solve it. You solve it and show me.
So basically, what you do is you have
Do
to
it.
switch
Do it on the board.
it.
Do
You
it on
have
the
to
board.
switch it.
Do it on the board. No, do it on the board.
X equals 4.
No, you got the answer right. I'm saying just do it on the board. How you will solve it? You're solving the sum, right? No, take this one. That one not. Solve it. Gen AI, artificial intelligence, machine learning, this is going to kill your future, okay?
Now.
Okay? Now, here the thing that you need to know, Arav, is you don't know how to solve an equation on the board.
You have to switch X to negative and
No,
positive.
so
with
for
the
all
answer.
of you, see, you guys think that somebody will come and do something magically for you, okay? Gen AI, machine learning, artificial intelligence. This is not going to be of any help for you if you don't know the basics right, okay? Arav, calm down. 2x plus 7 equal to 15. What I asked you is, just solve this for the value of x. What will you do? You will say, okay, 2x equal to 7, okay, so I'll keep x on one side, 15 minus 7. This is what it becomes. Next step. So that means 2x equals 15 minus 7 is 8. So x equals 8 by 2. This is what I wanted you to solve. I am not interested in knowing about Gen AI in this class.
Wait, yeah, see, you have to switch it.
But my answer was 4.
Your answer was 4, you have no use for me. I don't care about the answer.
Rob, you
I
have
want to know.
switch it.
I want to know how you are solving maths. So learn the basic before you talk about Gen AI. And I'm going to talk to your dad, saying that Gen AI or any fancy stuff is not for fifth graders in the class.
It's only for adults that are learning Google.
How do
No.
you use that chat?
When the time, no, when time, everybody calm down. Hey, Arnav.
I don't use AI at all.
That's okay. What I'm saying is, don't get distracted by these buzzwords. That doesn't take you anywhere. That doesn't prove you smart. Get it?
Yeah, Rob.
So don't talk about that, those things. That is only a distraction. You guys are way too young to talk about all those stuff that might change by the time you guys grow up. So you're probably wasting your childhood talking about something which will not exist 10 years down the line.
How much have I wasted?
You never know. Technology is changing every day. And if you waste your time and energy for talking about something that is for much bigger people, let them do their job. Why you want to eat somebody else's job? Don't worry about it.
Yeah,
Okay, come back to the class. So I want you guys to focus on basics because basics. You want to laugh for 5 more minutes? No? I'm saying you guys are here to learn the basics. If I start playing with jargons, next 1 hour will be a total roller coaster for you and you'll hardly understand anything. Okay, you laugh for 5 minutes first. I'm giving you know, I know this is natural. If you are feeling like laughing, you laugh. Then we'll talk. You need to be respectful of your time and my time. So I need to be, right? So I know some of the messages are very strict and that is important. If you guys at this age start talking about AI, start talking about ChatGPT, trust me, you lose interest in studies. You put a question in ChatGPT, ChatGPT will say anything, everything, and you take ChatGPT to your examination hall, and then you will not get the star test. Your ChatGPT will get the score for star.
No, actually.
No, I'm saying that's what you will do, right? If you guys get distracted,
Why are you guys laughing?
let them laugh for you.
They don't understand logic right now.
No, laugh for 5 minutes. I'm giving you less time. That's okay. We have 10 more minutes before the class ends.
Well, I'm just gonna go with some.
Let me know when you guys are done.
I'm done.
Hey guys.
Okay. Shan, while he's laughing, you can use the time for throwing the trash here in the trash can.
Oh, can I go use the bathroom?
Yeah, please. Done?
Can I also look for my missing pen? You want thing?
Where?
I look for my missing pen.
Do it by yourself.
Can I look for it?
Okay, who has put that bottle there? Okay, not you guys. Okay, I think. Okay, are you done? I'm giving you only 5 minutes. Okay, I think don't make a mockery of. Okay, I'll edit this part of the video. I know. See, sometimes it happens that no, when you are not able to control your laughter, I'll let you laugh. That's okay. I don't want to take away your childhood from you. Okay. Sometimes it happens to me also when I'm not able to control my laughter and I know that people are not feeling good about it. But it's okay, I'll give you that thing, okay? But you good?
Yeah, I was just thinking about that the entire time.
Good. So that happens, okay? When you get distracted, you would not know what you did and where it goes. So that's when you have to think back, recall. Who is missing? Advik? Okay.
Oh, can I use the battery box for a bit?
Let Advik come.
Can I speak to the app?
Huh?
Can I speak to the app? Because actually I'm
So
looking at it.
today's class is a bathroom class. Everybody can
Yeah,
take
I
it.
also need to go.
Very
Now
good.
you make me laugh. No, imagine you're in my class. Yours is
Yeah,
gonna
go
be
ahead.
destroyed.
Imagine everyone just
So that's what I'm saying. So today's class is a bathroom class, water class.
Can I go? Can I go now?
Hey, one bathroom, two people together cannot go.
No! It's my turn now. See you guys, it's my turn.
Are you laughing? Are they still laughing? Yes. Wow, very much so.
I should be doing my record.
Books.
My nose is on the recording. ChatGPT, please do my stuff.
ChatGPT will not come. Your daddy will come. Daddy will come and he will teach you what needs to be done.
With mod.
Okay. Okay. Calm down. Everybody calm down now. I gave you that time because I didn't want to suppress that situation or that emotion, okay? If I do that, it's not good always, okay? That's why I gave you that time. But don't overuse it or abuse it. Drink water, settle down. You can go after Ishan comes, okay? Okay. Be quick, be quick, be quick.
No. It's his turn first.
Okay, just hold it till he comes back. Okay? What is that?
What? Daddy.
What is that?
Daddy.
ChatGPT?
ChatGPT will come. Daddy will come.
That's what I'm
Daddy
saying.
will come back.
Daddy will come back with the milk.
Daddy will come back to the house.
No, Daddy will come back with the milk.
Daddy's gonna be the delivery man.
With the milk, he's gonna do.
Yeah,
And
and
that's how
he'll be the
they'll
delivery man.
Lots of video games are made with like AI.
ChatGPT.
I don't talk about nonsense.
No.
And
you
I-
use
I'm not-
coding.
Oh, yeah,
You use
true.
Python. You use
True,
What is
yeah.
that?
Most
You use
video games
Python.
are made by
What, what was the question?
with
No, it wasn't. I'll just.
ChatGPT makes.
No, he said he said you use AI to like make games and stuff.
Plus,
I don't make
there's so
it.
many ads
No,
about
he says
ChatGPT
No,
helping
you-
AI.
there are scripting languages that you can, scripting or programming languages that you can use. You can use Python,
But
you can use
Yeah,
Java, you can use other languages also.
ChatGPT.
Okay, but why you in a hurry?
Scratch.
Learn basics before you go that far.
Isn't Scratch also like one of the coding apps?
I have not used it.
Scratch can.
Myra.
So,
Scratch is like a coding place, right? Scratch. What is that?
okay, so everybody settle down, calm down. We have only 10 more minutes. You can probably go quickly and come back. Where did you go, Ishan?
Yeah, I can't stop.
I want everybody to be disciplined in the class. Otherwise, I'll start writing down your name again and again. Okay?
What happened to my erase screen?
You got lucky.
Oh.
You just got lucky.
Oh.
Do you want me to put it back?
You gotta break out. No, we got it. Uno reverse card.
So see, I might be a bad teacher. I'm not a bad person. Okay?
Who's about teacher?
Actually, I was spending my time in the bathroom.
All right. So yeah, come back to the class. Shh, everybody. All the disturbance that has happened has already happened. Okay? We don't need more of it. So settle down. So what all we have learned so far? We learned about line plots. One thing at a time.
So basically what we learned is X and Y. We described how all the four quadrant axes work together, and we also learned how X and Y and the origin, how it's a centerpiece of all the quadrants, and we also learned which part of the quadrant is negative or positive, or can be positive or negative.
Okay, you are not the only student in the class. Let us also speak. Okay, Myra, go ahead.
We learned about the four quadrants and like. I think that's what I did.
Okay, now settle down, Arnav. We had enough wasted time because of whatever distraction we had, and we cannot afford to have more of it. Okay, yeah.
We learned about the four quadrants in the graph and negative numbers and the origin.
Okay.
So we learned about like all four quadrants, like quadrant 1 positive, quadrant 2 negative, and that stuff. We learned how to plot line segments and plots.
Yeah. You agree with him? Okay. What do you remember apart from ChatGPT?
So basically, ChatGPT actually uses
No,
Yeah.
don't start it again.
Okay.
You forgot everything. That is shh. Arnav, calm down.
I keep on thinking of ChatGPT.
That is not good.
I don't know why.
No, that is not good.
ChatGPT also.
Now,
You have good handwriting.
thank you. Okay, at least you guys are able to read.
Yes.
That's the purpose. If I write like doctors, and you will struggle.
You want to say my handwriting?
Can you
Huh?
My handwriting's like a doctor.
Okay.
This is my
You know
handwriting.
doctor.
This is totally my handwriting.
My handwriting.
Okay, calm down, everybody calm down. Everybody calm down. Ishan,
I'm just showing you my handwriting.
your name will come again. Don't do that. Right now, let's focus on the class. Okay? Now, you said you totally forgot. Can you try recalling what all we learned? You put your hands down. I have already heard you enough. I heard you enough.
I
We learned about like X and Y.
Arav, calm down. Take a deep breath.
The X and Y and how to locate it. That's all.
Okay. Honey, do you remember what all we learned? I'm just trying to check
Now I'm starting to
how much
forget
you were
about
able to absorb what when I was talking about.
Now I'm starting to forget.
Take a deep breath. Calm down. Yeah.
Did?
Let's try recalling. See, that's what happens, right? You'll learn a lot of things, you'll hear a lot of things. When you try recalling, that is when you kind of summarize it for yourself. So that's what I'm trying to hear from you. So think like a baby, okay? That's how I was teaching. Do you guys have some problem?
No.
Then keep quiet. Stay calm. Be disciplined. If I'm not joking here, I'm not. See, trying to be flexible doesn't give you license for being naughty. Okay? Arab, I'm literally not happy with what has happened so far. Please don't piss me off to go to the next level of discussion. Okay? Yeah? Same thing about you also. Yeah. I'm trying to see if whatever talking we have done for us, Arab, you might want to just go stand near the pillar for 5 minutes, then you can come back after you settle down. Okay?
How would I do that?
I'll do that. I can do that. I can do that. You know that? You want me to try that? Don't push me to my extreme. Because I'm here to teach you guys, to make you guys learn something. That's the only thing I'm focusing on. I will give you guys some flexibility so that I keep you guys engaged. That doesn't mean that we'll only talk things which are not needed. Okay? Yeah. So, let's try recalling.
We learned that if there's two destinations, you have to know both of them.
Sorry?
If there's two destinations, you have to know both of them.
Mm-hmm. Right. That is one way to look at it. Yes. You want to extend more?
There's actually a question.
No, your question will come after I'm done with the discussion. Okay? Yeah. No, I will force you guys to speak because when you go out of your comfort zone, that is when you will think. So I'm just trying to get that thinking out. Yeah. Try that. That's okay. Okay. See, that's what I was saying. Think like a baby. Okay. That when I'm trying to draw a line segment, I need to know from where to where. Yeah, from where to where. This is when you said that I need to know both the points. I should be able to look at both the points. How do I look at a point? It is always with reference to here with reference to the edge, right? If I do that like a layman, I will say, okay, how far is from this border, how far is from here. Or I'll say how far from here and how far from here.
Oh, I get articulation.
I'm sorry?
Articulation.
Mm-hmm. Right. So what I'm saying is, you will have different ways to locate a point. That is where graph gives you that ability. That whatever surface that you're talking about, you are breaking this into 4 sections like this by using the 2 line numbers which are perpendicular to each other. This is called x-axis, this is called y-axis. These are essentially the line numbers that we have learned before, and this is the origin. Both the line numbers are touching each other at the origin and being perpendicular to each other. Anybody feeling laughter?
So basically,
Smile.
so for like that's so basically,
Not a good day. Not a good day.
No, I think he's doing.
Okay. Is that see? When I said
Actually, a proper question, and he's distracting me, but making me laugh.
no. So I see. I'll tell you what my reading is. You already know about the graph. Okay. There's nothing new. I'm just helping you do a recap because when you go for the STAR test, you will be able to validate that against what you know versus what you don't. No, don't do that. Don't do that. See, that's what I'm saying.
So when you talk about the destination thing, so when you have a line segment, in mathematical terms, can you actually add a variable to it?
So you are going to linear equation right now. I'm saying don't go there.
What can we
We're talking about linear equation. When you say add a variable to it, we'll do that. We'll end up doing that, but not in this grade. I'm not trying to rush you guys. Like at one point in time, one of the lady in India, she reached out to me saying that I have coding classes for kids. Do you want your kids to join the class? I said no, I don't want to spoil their life by doing it at this early age. When they grow up, they will decide whether they want to do coding or they want to do something else. So what I mean by that is, you do things when it's right. When you are in third grade, learn the concepts for third grade. When you are in fourth grade, learn the concepts for fourth grade. When you go to college, you learn the things that have to be learned in the college. Let's not hurry, jumble them up and get them confused. Actually, okay? That's why I'm trying to stop you guys from going to AI. Everybody talks AI, nobody understands AI. Trust me.
What? Huh?
Nobody, majority of the population, like people spoil biryani. People say, everybody say I will make biryani, and 90% of people don't know how to make biryani. So is the case with, I'm saying good biryani, okay? Very few people, okay? Very few people know how to make good biryani. So is the case with AI. Everybody talks about AI because people think that, okay, AI is the buzzword. Everybody wants to be up to date. Hardly anybody understands it. Okay? Don't go there. Don't waste your time and my time.
Yeah, but actually, one time my dad showed me, there was actually...
Your dad and you are not same.
My dad said...
Your dad has spent enough time to learn the basics and be strong with that before he started talking about AI. He was not talking about AI when he was in 5th grade. So don't try to be your dad. You will become your dad's equivalent when you are his age, when you get to that stage. Okay? So, stop there. Now, so we have just learned what is line plot. I am assuming that you guys will not have any confusion with respect to what we have learned today. What is that?
I mean, it's not funny at all. It's like not funny. It's just not...
I think we learned enough that we had to learn in this class. I'll pause this video.